I'll first introduce myself. I'm Bart Delporte. I'm Technical Sales and Training Manager for Showtex Belgium. Showtex, we are specialists in inventing, manufacturing and installing flame retardant fabrics and also the suspension systems. We make curtains in our workshop for theaters, events and the performing arts. From theatrical performances, operas and ballets to the most extravagant events and effects. Our head office is based in Belgium, the north of Belgium, Antwerp, and we have full production workshops in Belgium, the Holland, Netherlands, South Africa, Hong Kong, Dubai, and we also have sales offices here in the UK, Scandinavia and France. We started in 1983 and now have 120 full staff employees. Before I go to this acoustic baffle, I want to explain you something about our green policy we have in Showtex. It's a topic always been close to our hearts, but lately we've put several actions in place to look for ways to produce greener, reduce consumption of resources, measure and take action to reduce the carbon footprint of our business activities. We are recycling products, always generated from our business. Operations is managed according to the principles of reduction, reuse and recycle. We collect our fabrics in our sewing workshops. We recycle fabrics from our clients. We take them back after we install new fabrics. We compress them, the fabrics are shredded and remade in flame retardant acoustic matting used for our acoustic baffle. So we nominated the acoustic baffle because it offers flame retardant, flexible, easy to use, a lightweight and ecological solution for the industry. The baffles have already provided sound optimization in festivals and musical settings, but it can also be used for fixed installations in studios or for the performing arts of events arenas. A little bit about the story. We commissioned the University of Leuven in Belgium to do a study regarding our acoustic materials. And the conclusion of that study provided that by combining different sound absorbing textiles, the acoustic quality could be improved. So by testing all these fabrics independently, after combining those different, they came to a conclusion that we continue testing these things, and it resulted in a unique combination and mixture of recycled materials that produced excellent acoustic results. Here you see the recycling process, cuts off, the shredding, the remaking to flame retardant matting, and the assembly to a new product. Something about the fabrics we use. Outside the front and the backing is a wool serge, well known here in the UK, I think. 540 grams, so double twice. Inside there's a velvet, a very dense velvet, 600 grams, and then the filling, the recycled material. This is an example of it. So you have two wool serge fabrics, the velvet and the layer in between. So you see here the composition, but that's this. It's easy to use. It can be rolled up for transport. It's very compact. It's lightweight. There's Velcro around to connect the panels, and we use Velcro webbing and ties to install it on fly bars or trusses. So, sorry, this is the test setup. So you have 2 rooms, and then in front of that hall there's the baffle. Here you see the reduction of the noise. This is one baffle. You see the different frequencies and the average isolation. And the 18 is the average value, and it reduces the sound 18 dB with one panel. And with 2 panels with an air gap in between, it reduces even 29 dB, the average value. Something about absorption. So they did 3 tests. Laying on the floor, so no air or something in between, 30 centimeter and 1 meter. Air in the back. Let's say you can hang the baffles also as a ceiling. If you install it 1 meter from the ceiling, you get a value of alpha W. We tell it's alpha W from 0.8. So the baffle reduces the reverberation time and improves the sound quality. We're standing here because it's also nominated for the People's Choice Award. And if you have the time, just have a look at the other colleagues. So finishing, we feel the product's acoustic capabilities, sustainable production methods and flexibility represent added value to our industry and an innovative way of product development by using raw materials recycled from our core business of sewing curtains. We hope we will inspire others to look further to invent more of this stuff. So thank you for your attention. Questions?
What's the benefit of the velvet layer? Is that to stop the compressed, shredded?
Yeah, it's like because the velvet is really dense. It blocks the sound.
Oh, okay.
And that's by combining and trying out, we found out that specific velvet was ideal for this product.